Looking for a dessert that feels like a warm hug? Let's make a classic Brown Betty. First, choose your fruit, apples or peaches. If it's apples, peel them. If peaches, just wash them up. Now, thinly slice those apples or cut the peaches into eighths. Discard the cores or pits. Apple peels, eat them or compost them. Layer those fruit slices in your baking dish. Sprinkle generously with dark brown sugar and cinnamon. Keep layering until all the fruit is used up. Next, grab a stick of butter, half a cup of dark brown sugar, and half a cup of flour. Mix till you get crumbs about the size of peas. Need more flour? Add a bit until it crumbles perfectly. Sprinkle those crumbs all over the top of your fruit layers. Pop it in the oven at 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake until golden brown or bubbly. Enjoy it warm or cold. Top with vanilla ice cream or whipped cream if you like. Yum! That's your classic Brown Betty.